man, this is fast. Look.
Oh my gosh, no, it really is.
Right there.
Hop in, sis!
See, let's go.
In you get, we'll run up, we'll catch up with it. Go,
Go, go, go!
In! You get in.
Get in, quickly!
Drive!
Stop driving!
Drive. Well, it was pretty.
I'm in a Volvo. I don't like Volvos, but now I'm starting to like it. Timberlink. Get your timber here.
You wanna run up? We'll keep running, Fiona?
Woo! Woo!
Do you wanna get and run?
No, because
Still
then
keep
we'll
going,
miss
keep
it.
going.
Woo!
Right side. Okay, yeah, I'll get out of the way.
Whoa, small boat, like right next to it.
You wanna run with him? You wanna run too, Tom?
No.
Alright, go.
Now we're gonna have to go back and get here. And that's the end of this video. Hey, let me out. Let's go. Oh, it's starting to come up.
Go. Right there. Danica!
And the boat's now leaving the channel and heading towards the Metal Man. Might be hard to see, but I'll post a video of it on Monday. Bye bye, Timberlink.